In this question, we don't have vectors at 90-degree angles to each other. If we have a look at the bearings that we're given for each vector, the first vector is at a bearing of 60 degrees from the x-axis, and the second second vector is at a bearing of 240 degrees. And so if we travel 180 degrees, it gets us to here, and then an additional 60 degrees gets us to here. And so what's happening here is that both vectors are lining up, but they're in opposite directions. Since the vectors have different magnitudes, then it just takes a little bit of common sense in a question such as this for us to figure out the result of the forces moving in both directions. If they're moving in opposite directions, then the 5 meter per second vector will cancel out 5 meters per second from the 10 meter per second vector. And the resultant, or the net result, will just be 10 minus 5, which is 5 meters per second. And in this way, it's kind of interesting to look at it like a tug of war. The vector that's traveling in this direction kind of wins, and so the direction is at a bearing of 060 degrees.